Same drone, same features, totally different experience. If you use cruise control with your DJI Neo 2, the controller you choose can actually make a huge difference. In this video, I will show you the difference between the RC-N3 controller and the RC2 controller. Not on what the drone can do, but how easy it is to control it.
Cruise control means that the drone keeps flying at a constant speed, without you needing to hold the sticks. Perfect for smooth cinematic shots.
Cruise control is not a controller feature, it's built into the drone. Both controllers can do it, but how you can trigger it changes everything.
Let's start with the RC-N3. You can assign cruise control with the function button, for example with a double click. But here's where it gets tricky. You need to find the right speed first and then double click at exactly the right moment. And if you want to adjust your shot, you basically have to take over and start again. Also, the function button is on the same side as your control stick, so you're correcting your movement and pressing the button with the same hand. It works, but it doesn't feel natural. Now let's switch to the RC2, and this is where things get much easier. The RC2 gives you an extra button, like the C2 button. You can assign cruise control to CT, and now you have a dedicated button. So instead of a double click, it's just one press. And there's the real difference. While flying, you can adjust your speed and press C2 again to lock the new movement. No stopping, no resetting, just smooth control. Let's compare them side by side. On the RC-N3, it feels like you need to restart your shot. On the RC2, it feels like you're refining your shot while flying.
So technically, both controllers can do the same, but it's how you use them. So the RC2 is way more flexible and easier to use. And it's not about what the drone can do, but how you can control it. If you want to have more DJI Neo 2 tips, check the other videos on my channel. And let me know in the comments which controller do you use.